that scripture where we read in Jude chapter 1, verse 12, one of the things I want to pick out there is that there are clouds that are thick and dark, but there is no rain. So it is possible to see the cloud gather and everywhere is thick and there is no rain. Promises without performance. A PhD holder without a job is cloud without rain. Connection without collection. Beautiful, well-figured, highly intelligent, no husband. Good character. A wife material without a crown, without a husband, is cloud without rain. A wonderful, saturated womb, fertile, eggs are okay, but no baby. It means the cloud is there. There is no glory. Highly talented, can sing very well, but yet not accepted, celebrated, and not at the forefront. There's some of you here, you are music ministers that are better than the music ministers singing and popular, but your cloud is gathered, but there is no glory.